Okay, today we are doing something legendary. It's not Maggie, it's not an omelette, it's biryani. Not because life's hard, but these onions are wild. Amma, ಇಷ್ಟಿರ್ಲ ಇದು ಒಂದಿರ್ಲ ಎರಡಿರ್ಲ washed coriander. Same goes for the pudina. All the vegetables are ready now, and at last the soaked rice. For how much time? Okay, 15 minutes. And our spices are ready. Add oil, ghee, and throw all your trust issues. I mean, spices. So basically everything is continued by my mom. It was started by me, but it should look something like this. Then add soaked rice. Now close the lid and wait for 3 whistles. So finally it is ready. Wow. You can just see this. Ten on 10 for the looks. Biryani. Ten on 10 would marry this biryani if it was legal. And now excuse me for enjoying it. By the way, 80% of the work is done by my mom, so all credits to her. See you later.